Good morning everyone. Hearty welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Signing. This is Santosh. Today we are going to discuss various Olympiad problems based on polynomials. So let us go through our question now. If 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 4, then find the value of 2x plus 4xy minus 2y by x minus y minus 2xy. So by saying this question, many of the students will get confused how to proceed the problem. Okay, so let us start our solution now. So given 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 4. LHS taking the LCM, it is xy. So here it is y minus x is equal to 4. So after cross multiplication I can write it as y minus x is equal to 4xy, or I can also write here x minus y is equal to minus 4xy. So wherever it is possible we are going to substitute x minus y value or y minus x value. So taking minus common, this we are going to get. So let us mark as equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So what is our expression here now? So therefore 2x plus 4xy minus 2y by x minus y minus 2xy. If you observe carefully here, 2x minus 2y will write at one place. So that will follow now in the numerator. So 2x minus 2y plus 4xy by here it is. Next, x minus y minus 2xy. So already we have got the value 4xy value, it is y minus x. Let us substitute here. And x minus y will substitute minus 4xy. So this can be written as now is equal to 2x minus 2y, 4xy can be written as y minus x by here it is x minus y nothing but our minus 4xy minus 2xy. So 2x minus x gives you x, minus 2y plus y gives you x minus y. And what is here? Minus, I can write it as 6xy. Okay. So again we got here x minus y. So x minus y stands for what here? Minus 4xy. Let us replace this one. Minus 4xy by, here it is, minus 6xy. Since the operation is multiplication, xy and xy will get cancelled. Left over is minus 4 by minus 6, which gives you 2 by 3. So therefore our expression, what is the value of our expression? It is 2 by 3. Therefore 2x plus 4xy minus 2y by x minus y minus 2xy, which gives you 2 by 3. So this is a topic called polynomials. These polynomials we are discussing right from the 7th, 8th standard. Okay. So this type of questions you are going to get various competitive examinations in the school level for IIT, foundation classes and the Olympiad such as Quest, AMTI and the RMO, etc. So let us once go through our question. 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 4. Then we have to find out the value of 2x plus 4xy minus 2y by x minus y minus 2xy. From this we are going to get the value of 4xy, nothing but y minus x, or x minus y is equal to minus 4xy. So consider our expression, go through the steps. wherever we are going to get 4xy and 2xy, substitute. Later again here we are going to get x minus y, so x minus y again stands for minus 4xy, again resubstitute here, so minus 4y minus 6 which gives you 2 by 3. Like this, in this way we can proceed our problem to get the result. So please viewers, after seeing the question, don't be afraid, go through the steps, logically think it to get the answer. So in this way we can proceed our Olympiad examination questions. So I hope so this is a question which is non-routine apart from your regular syllabus. So now we are going to discuss our interesting and important as well as non-routine problem which is connected to polynomials. Let us start now. So given x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, simplify x cube plus x plus 1 by x power 5 to a polynomial form. So this is a condition given. Using this condition, this expression we have to simplify it to get the polynomial form. So let us proceed to get the answer now. So given x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. From this I can write it as, this is equation 1, implies x square minus x is equal to 1 here. This is equation 2. And also I can write it as, also 1 implies x square can be written as x plus 1. Mark as equation 3. So the given equation has been marked as equation 1. From this we got x square minus x is equal to 1, nothing but minus 1 transposing to that side. Let us name as equation 2 and x square, let it be here x plus 1. So like this, equations 2 and 3 can be derived from equation 1. Okay, so to get the substitution here for the given expression. So still if it is there any possibility here, again we have one more possibility, nothing but x is nothing but x square minus 1. If it is required, we will substitute in our expression. So let us go through our substitution now. So consider our expression x cube plus x plus 1 by x power 5. If you observe carefully, 1 can be replaced with x square minus 1. So x cube plus x. So this 1 can be written as now x square minus 1 by here it is x power 5. So 1 is nothing but x square minus x. So that we are going to substitute now. So x and minus x is nothing but 0, is cancelled here. So left over is x cube plus x square by x power 5. So in the numerator you have two terms after cancellation. So x cube plus x square. So here we can take x square as common, so that I can write it as x plus 1 by x power 5. So here since the operation is multiplication, x square by x power 5 gives you x cube. So x plus 1 by x cube. Still it is not in our polynomial form. This is just an algebraic expression form. So next again here x plus 1 can be written as now again x square. So x plus 1 is x square and here it is our x cube. So x square by x cube gives you 1 by x. Again 1 can be written as, we have from equation to x square minus x. So x square minus x by x. So in the numerator you have two terms, again taking x as common. So x minus 1 by x. Since the operation is multiplication, I can get cancelled here. So left over is here x minus 1. If you observe carefully, x minus 1 is nothing but here 2 terms, and also it is a polynomial. How can you decide it is a polynomial? The exponents of the variables in the 2 terms should be non-native integer. So x is nothing but here x power 1. So exponent is 1, non-native integer. Here 1 is nothing but it is a constant. We know that the degree of constant is always 0. Again still a non-native integer. So this expression with the suitable substitutions from x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here like this equation 2 and 3. We have got, after many steps, we got x minus 1. Nothing but it is a polynomial now. A polynomial. So what is our intention? This is a given one. We have to simplify this expression to get a polynomial form. So this is only algebraic expression. Now this has been reduced to the polynomial form. So in this way we can overcome the steps, but at the same time, therefore I can write now x cube plus x plus 1 by x power 5 is nothing but x minus 1, where this we got by using x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. By using this expression, we have been derived our expression to get the polynomial form. So in this way we can overcome the anxiety of the problem or the intention of the problem using this expression to get the polynomial form. So this type of questions, even though it is a polynomial which is connected to your regular syllabus right from the 6th to 10th class, but here in the various examinations, competitive examinations or Olympiads or IIT Foundation examinations, we can expect this type of questions, and this is a process. So please viewers, after watching the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment for more exciting and innovative videos. Thank you.